number. How we will form the number from the given digit, from the given digits. Okay, as we have discussed that digits, which digits we are using here, we are using 10 digit, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 10 digits we are using. Is it correct? So 10 digits we are using, and by use of these 10 digits we can make the number. Okay, well, now we will see one example. Suppose you are having the digit 1, 2 and 3. By use of these 3 digits, suppose you want to prepare a number. So beta, how will you prepare the number? By use of 3 digits 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so anyhow we can prepare the number. Suppose 1, 2, 3. This is 123. This is the number 1. Now second, if we will exchange the place, suppose 2 will come at first and 1 will go at the place of 2, then what will be the number? 213. This is the second number. Now if you want to put 3 here, then also you can prepare 3 1 2, 3 2 1, like this. So these all are the number 23, 213, 312, 321, etc. These all are the number. Okay, any confusion? Once again I am telling, suppose you are having the number 3, 2, 4. You are having the digit 3, 2, 4 and you have to prepare the number. Okay, you have to prepare the number. So how will you prepare the number? Please say. Suppose this is 3, which is at the extremely left side you have kept. Okay, after that you are having 2 digit, 2 and 4. So now you will write 2 and then 4. Understood? See these 2 number. Now keep these 3 like at the same place, and here you have written 2 and 4. Now firstly put 4, then 2. Okay, so 2 number you are getting. Now once again these 3 put at the next position. Now suppose 4 will be on the first, then what will be there? 3 and 2 will remain. Again put the 4 same place, and now 2 will come at the third and this 3 will come here. Means we have to exchange the place like this. So what will happen? 2, 3. Now see in these 2 numbers, 3 at the first place, 4 at the first place. Now 2 will come at the first place. So 2, when you will put 2 at the left side, then how many numbers will remain there? 3 and 4. So this is 3 and 4. Again 2 and exchange the place. What will be there, beta? 4 and 3, like this. So total how many digits you are getting? How many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now suppose question is, what will be which one is the biggest number here? Means with one example. Suppose Suppose you are having the digit 4, 7, 5, and your question is find the 3 digits number by use of these 3 digits, and also tell the smallest and greatest number. So for the smallest number, we have to write the smallest digit at the extremely left position. So which one is the smallest digit in this one, beta? Here 4, 7 and 5. This is the smallest number. So this 4 we have to put on the left side. Thereafter we have to put these 2 digits in the ascending order. So what will be the ascending order? This is the 5, after that 7. So this is the smallest number. And in case of greatest, for the greatest number, we have to put the greatest digit, biggest digits at extremely left position. So which one is bigger here? 7 is bigger. After that we have to put the given digits in the descending order. So after 7 which digit will come? 5, then 4. So this is the greatest number and this is the smallest number. Once again, one more example. Suppose from your exercise, first, from the smallest 3 digits number using the given digits, once again I am telling, find the smallest 3 digit number using the given digits without repetition. So first you are having the digit 4, 9 and 2. 4, 9, 2. You have to prepare the smallest number by use of these 3 digits. Once again I am telling, you have to prepare the smallest number by use of these 3 digits. So how will you prepare, beta? For that you have to prepare the smallest number. So for the smallest number, as we have discussed that we have to put the smallest digit at the extremely left position. So which one is the smallest digit here? 2 is the smallest digit. So firstly we have to put here 2. After that we have to write the remaining digits in the ascending order. So which one will come first? 4, thereafter 9. So this is the answer. Okay? Any confusion? But my dear, suppose 0 will come. It is exercise 1.2 first A. Now second, that is B will be 390. You are having 3 digits, 3, 9 and 0. So for this we will see. Are you getting my point, my dear? Yes, 0 will come first. Some students like Vanshika, you are telling 0 will come first. Vanshika, you are telling 0 will come first. Okay, beta, very good. No. Yes, 3 will come first. Very good. Madhu is telling, Madhu Sharma, you are telling 3 will come first. So both possibility we will see. Okay. We have to see both possibilities. Suppose, but firstly you have to read the question once again. Okay. Once again I am showing the question. Your question is, find the smallest 3-digit number. You have to prepare the 3-digit number. Okay. You have to prepare 3-digit number. Means in the given number, minimum 3 digits should come like this, 1, 2, 3. So we will see both possibility. If you will put a smallest digit from the here, then which one is the smallest digit? 0. So 0, thereafter ascending order 3, 9. But what is the problem here? Problem is that if you will put 0 at the extremely left position, then no meaning of this 0, meaningless. So you will get the number of 2 digit only. Understood? But our question is asking that you have to prepare 3-digit number and it is 2-digit number. It means this is wrong. Okay. So what we will do, beta? 0 we should not put at the left position, extremely left position. So which one should be at the extremely left position? 3 smallest, except 0. We will see which one we will leave the, we will ignore the 0 for that. So except 0, which one is the smallest? 3 is the smallest digit. So we have to prepare here 3. We have to write 3. Thereafter 0. Then whatever numbers, digits will remain, we have to write in the ascending order. But here only 1 digit remain. So we have to prepare, we have to write 9. So this is the smallest number. Suppose you have to prepare the greatest number. So reverse of it you have to put like 903. This is 930. Means biggest number at the extremely left position. Thereafter the given number we have to prepare in the descending order. So this is the greatest number. Greatest number, like this. Okay, dear. Now we have to see the question number. Exercise 1.2, question number 2. So please read the question from here. I think you all are having the book, so you can see from there also. Question number 2 is, from the greatest 5-digit, form the greatest 5-digit number. Which number you have to prepare? Greatest number. And how many digits? 5 digits should be there. So form the greatest 5-digit number using the digits 9, 1, 0, 6 and 2 without repetition. My dear students, you are having the number you are having the number, sorry, digit 9, 1, 0, 6 and 2. Okay, from here you have to prepare the greatest number. Which number? Greatest number you have to prepare. So how will you prepare? I told, for the greatest number we have to make the number, we have to put the digits. Which digits? Biggest digit at the extremely left position. Once again I am telling, for to get the greatest number we have to put the digit at the extremely left position. So in the 9, 1, 0, 6 and 2, which one is the greatest digit? This 9 is the biggest digit. So we have to put here 9. After that, whatever digits will remain, we have to put the given digits in the descending order. Which order? Descending order. So once again you should listen. My dear students, to get the greatest number, we have to put firstly the biggest digit at the extremely left position. Thereafter we have to put the given digits in their descending order. So after 9, which one will come? 6. Okay, then after 6, 2, then 1, then 0. Okay, now count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And you are having the question, form the greatest 5-digit number using the digits 9, 1, 0, 6 and 2 without repetition. So you have prepared this digit 96210. So this is the greatest number. Okay, and how you will write the name of this greatest number? 96210. According to Indian culture, Indian place value, we have to put commas just after the third place, as we have discussed in the last class. So what will be the name of this number? 96,210. Okay dear. Suppose you want to prepare the smallest digit, smallest number from the given digit. So how will you prepare the smallest digit? By use of these numbers, these digits. So beta, we should not put the 0 at the extremely left position because it will be the meaningless. So except 0, which one is the smallest digit? 1. So we have to put here 1. After that, we just after the smallest digit except 0, we have to put the 0. So here what will come? 0. Thereafter, whatever numbers, whatever digits will remain, you have to put the given digits in the ascending order. So what will be the ascending order? 1 is done, 0 you have put there. Now what will remain? 2, 6, 9. So we have to put here 2, 6 and then 9. This is the smallest number. This is the smallest number. Okay, is it clear? Now question number 3. For third question, firstly read the question number third, beta. From your book. From the smallest and greatest four digit numbers using the digit 5, 6, 9 and 0. Okay, Vanshika, Raghuvanshi,